In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in Gamma app in just a few simple steps. If you're creating a presentation, document, or visual page in Gamma, changing the font is one of the easiest ways to make your design look more polished, more readable, and more on-brand. Whether you want a cleaner professional look or a more creative style, Gamma makes it easy to customize your typography. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gamma and make sure you're on the screen where your project or deck is open. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the top right corners of the Gamma screen and click on Theme. This is where Gamma stores all of the visual style settings for your document, including colors, layout preferences, and fonts. When you click Theme, you'll see your current theme options appear. Now hover over your current theme. As you move your mouse over it, you should see a 3-dot menu appear. Click on those 3 dots to open the theme options. From there, select Customize this theme. This is the area where you can make more detailed changes to your design instead of using the default theme settings. Once the customization panel opens, go to the font section. This is where Gamma lets you control the typography for your entire project. You'll usually see options for both heading and a body fonts. The heading font is used for titles, section headers, and any larger text elements, while the body font is used for the main paragraph text throughout your cards. To change a font, click on your current heading font or body font. A drop-down menu will appear with different font choices. Scroll through the options and select the one you want. You can choose a font that looks modern, bold, clean, elegant, or more minimal, depending on the style you want for your Gamma project. As soon as you select a new font, Gamma will update the preview so you can see how it looks. If you want even more control, you can also adjust text thickness and line height. Text thickness can help make your font appear lighter or bolder, which is useful if you want stronger headings or easier to read body text. Line height controls the spacing between lines, and that can make a huge difference in how comfortable your content is to read. A little extra line spacing can make a presentation feel much cleaner and less crowded. Take a moment to preview the changes and make sure the fonts fit the overall look of your project. If the text feels too formal, too thin, or too crowded, you can always go back and pick a different option until it looks right. Gamma gives you the flexibility to experiment, so don't be afraid to try a few combinations before settling on the final style. When you're happy with the new typography, click Save to apply the changes. Gamma will update the fonts across all cards in your project, so your entire presentation or document stays consistent. That means your new heading and body fonts will carry through the whole design without you needing to change each card individually. And that's it. You now know how to change the font in Gamma app quickly and easily. This is a simple but powerful way to improve the look and feel of your content in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.